Hey, how's it going? Nice to meet you. How's things? Mark, you alright? Okay. Perfect. Right, I'm just going to change a setting on here. That's cool. Okay. Same again. Let's have a look. Okay, let's make it a little bit brighter. Okay. Amazing. And then I get you completely front on to me. That's it. Perfect. Cool. Perfect. And then let's try both hands. So kind of like that's it. On the hands like that for me. Okay. Let's wait for them to go. And then, is it possible that you can like almost go down? Okay. Yeah, perfect. Let's have a look. And you can lean against this wall, okay? Yeah. It's literally, you can have, yeah, perfect. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. Amazing. Fab. Yeah, perfect. And then come around a little bit so you're more facing me, that's it. Yeah, that is perfect. I'm gonna make it a little bit darker. Okay. Amazing. Perfect. And then what we'll do is, whilst we're here, I'll get you to wait for this person to go, and you can just stand in the middle. We'll wait for them to go. We'll get you to stand just there, Georgina, that's it. Perfect. And you can be whatever, hands in pockets, that's it. Fab. Okay, let's have a look. Perfect. Nice. Perfect. Yeah, really cool.